This is a nice pool, y'all. Looks very refreshing and it's very pretty. Look at that. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike with, there's my wife Tonya. You're watching Cruise Control, so let's set our cruise control on Belize, Harvest Caye, Belize. We're going to the beach, y'all. We're gonna hang out there for a day. We'll take you around, walk around, and just let you see what this little island's like. This is Norwegian's private beach, so let's go check it out and see what they have to offer. So it's a pretty long pier, y'all. I will say that up front. It looks like a long walk. They have several spots to take pics at. One thing I do want to mention is today we got in an hour late. Really, it was about an hour and a half late, to be honest. So we're getting back on an hour and a half late as well. We were getting off at 9. We ended up getting off at about 10:15. We were supposed to get back on at 5. We're getting back on at 6:30. Nah. We're young. We can walk it. I say we're young. We're in our 50s.
Young enough.
So plenty of carts if you need a ride. Just like that right there. Those guys are going for a ride. Might be the way to go. I wonder if it costs anything. That'd be a pretty good little private island right there, or private beach. All right, y'all, we made it. We are here. I got pictures here for you. So there's bathrooms right to your left, right when you get off the pier, if you have to use the bathroom.
You get a beach villa.
Yeah, so you got your excursions and all information over here. Give you a quick tour of just this shopping area. And this is still us walking straight. We haven't done any turns.
I wonder if the drink package works here.
Oh, that's a good idea. I wonder. We need to put that in here. We need to find out.
Since it's a private island.
Yeah.
Right?
Moho chocolate. Let's turn left.
Other direction?
Yeah, let's go left. Looks less crowded for now.
Americans like to go right.
Yes. In America, if you're in the line and it forks left and right, most Americans choose right.
Little cruising tip.
Yes, it is a cruising tip. Go left. It's usually a quicker line. In America, that is.
Do you want to take a picture there?
Yeah, let's go to get a picture of that sign. All right, so we just took a picture right there at the Belize sign. Got some shirts, hats and shirts and sunglasses, all kinds of stuff here. Jade.
I need to get me some earrings from here.
Yeah, you do.
Not my in ones though.
Hey, this is a really pretty spot, y'all. Really pretty.
Oh my gosh, look at all the sea days.
Yeah. That is a lot of sea-doos. We got a pilot boat over there. Oh, there's a boat coming in, y'all. So this is going to be a lot of excursions and stuff. You can see the line here, people waiting to take their excursion.
So go left to the excursion.
Yeah, I would take a left to get to this spot. And I'll try to show the front of this here in a minute.
Oh, look at this, that boat.
Yeah, no, I just got it.
Oh,
Yeah, I showed it.
I have a friend named Abby.
So here's the front of that. The marina. Tour sails. All right, I want to show y'all
It's 11 o'clock. So
a little bit of this. So there's a lot of selection here to kind of look around and have plenty of shops to look at. Nice little pool area. A lot of umbrellas if you get here early enough. Yeah, you get here soon enough, you'll get the umbrellas. Yeah, so the beach, if y'all look, is right through there. Get you some drinks there. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is not included. Your drinks are not gonna be included because their bottled water is different here. We're gonna walk over the pool. This is a nice pool, y'all. It really is. This is comparable to Perfect Day. It's not as big. It's definitely not as big, but it's comparable. Looks very refreshing and it's very pretty. Look at that. That's the Harvest Caye Bar and Grill. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show you the beach area real quick, but I think we may go hang out at the pool. Okay. Yeah, go find us some shade. Tanya's gonna go find us some shade by the pool, but we're gonna come hang out at the beach for sure. Oh, look at that, zip line. Superman style. Y'all see that across there? Volleyball. I will definitely play some volleyball. Really good looking beach. All right, we'll continue walking. Now, I wonder if this port allows more than one ship. Because if it does, I can see where this could get crowded. Parasailing way out there, y'all. So they got a pretty good game going on over there. So they got soccer, beach soccer. Flight House Bar and Grill, right here on the beach. They do have lifeguards on duty. So the lighthouse is part of the zip line. That's pretty cool. I don't know if y'all can see those wires. Yeah, I think y'all can. So now you can see the ship pretty well. Well, if you go a little further, it's less crowded for sure. Less crowded and way more seating available. Obviously, you don't get the shade. Okay, y'all, this was probably where I would be. Way less crowded. This is kind of my cup of tea, probably. Looks like we stumbled upon our first private cabana. I haven't seen any other ones. Wonder what that cost. Got your own little bar down here too. Uh-oh, I think we're in the private area. Yep. This might be the paid for portion of the island. Let's see, let's ask these guys. So the private area starts right there where it says private beach, where the ropes are. But this is part of the regular beach area. Kind of like it. You got your own bar, hardly any kids over here. This would be a good spot. Okay, I do want to show you restrooms right here, but we're at the fence line of this private area. Private beach. Not for sure what the cost is, but obviously you book it through Norwegian. And I'm sure you probably get like all-inclusive, like drinks and all that included. I do think your excursion bonus that you get, if you get one of those, like we have a $50 excursion per cabin, I think that works here. You can use that on this beach. Thought I'd show you this bar at the very end. So you do have Norwegian Cruise Line staff out here on the beach taking pictures. So I don't think I showed this earlier, but you have zip lines going both directions off this tower. You see to the left, that guy just went Superman style. And then to the right, it's like your normal zip line. Here comes one that actually it looks like you get the zip line down, and then zip line back, because he's coming back right now. Here he is right here. See, you're just kind of like doing the set style. Pretty cool. We got ping pong on the beach. So plenty of seating back here. Like I said, I bet you can find some shade under palm trees. You may have to move every once in a while, but it'll be okay. Yeah, I really do like the beach area here, y'all. It's really nice. Kind of reminds me of Mahogany Bay, but bigger. And less crowded. And the bonus that this has over Mahogany Bay's island or beach would be that they have a pool. Mahogany Bay has yet to have a pool. A lot of seating though. There's island time. So both volleyball courts are going, y'all. Full games at both of them. We'll have to jump in there and play here in a minute. I like volleyball. So where we're sitting is right next to the pool, and you can see the beach right there, not too far away. Best of both worlds. All right, so it's $75 for the Superman, $65 for the regular lagoon side, which includes 3 zip lines, or $109 if you want to purchase both. Okay, y'all, we are making our way back to the ship, that long walk. But I wanted to show you Tonya's towel. This is a towel bag that Tonya ties up and creates a bag out of her towel. So if it's got weight to it, it's pretty simple to make. She'll have to show you that in one of her videos coming up soon, maybe. But I also wanted to show you at the same time this line. Watch out, go that way, Tonya. Yeah, for that, the golf cart guys. And that's one made for a wheelchair. So that's the line.
Oh, they're all coming back.
Yeah, the only thing me and Tonya were just talking about was if this was covered, this might be one of the best piers out there.
That's nice.
Because it is a nice pier, it's good view. I love how you get to see the full ship, like this right here. But they could cover this easily. Just probably be expensive. Hey, so one thing I do want to mention is the alcohol is not included. Neither is the food. It's kind of like Mahogany Bay's, or Carnival's Mahogany Bay in that way. So you will have to pay for everything here.
And water is $6.
Yeah, water was $6 a bottle. A beer was $9. if I remember right. Well, I bought 2 beers and it was $18.56. So yeah, I mean, it's up there. So we've already been here 3 hours, almost 4 hours really. So we're heading back to the ship. We're gonna eat a lunch, and if we decide to get back out, we can go right back and get to the beach and probably still have another 2 or 3 hours to spend there because it's only 2 o'clock and we don't have to be back on board until 6:30. So maybe go have a lunch, a couple of drinks, come back to the beach.
Some sleeves on.
Yeah, put some sleeves on because we're sunburnt, even though we put sunscreen on. By the way, y'all, the golf carts, like this one coming up behind us, that's free. You don't have to pay for that. It is a free ride. I just feel guilty because I know a lot of people need it. And we're still capable of walking.
Well,
Like Tonya just said. Say it again, honey.
I can walk. I can eat more.
Right. So if we walk it, we get to eat more. All right, y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed these quick videos. We've got about 2 or 3 videos we're making right here at the port. So hopefully you enjoyed them. Make sure you check out our full playlist here of Norwegian Getaway. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.